Failure can actually lead people into a state of depression. But the reason why it leads them into a state of depression and in a state of complete dejection and loss is only when they are unable to see that they can actually come out of their failure. There have been many people in history who have suffered great losses, but they have been able to overcome their losses and achieve success in spite of their losses. So we should know that the mind that we have has the potential to turn around our situation, and we should utilize this potential of the mind. We should know that failure is not the last chapter of our life. It is one of the chapters of our life which has come to teach us something. So we must learn lessons from failure. We should not consider failure as the end and become dejected because of it. So dejection and depression comes when you consider failure as the end, as the final thing that has happened to you. So you are the one who can actually consider that failure is final. You can feel that this failure is the last thing that has happened with me, nothing else better can happen with me. But you at the same time can actually change your situation for the better by thinking that this failure is not the last and permanent thing which I have experienced. It has come to teach me something which I did not know earlier. I better learn the lesson and move on. So you are responsible for what you experience in life. You are responsible for what you go through. It is your mind that controls everything. And you should know that you can do in life whatever you want based on the kind of mindset you have. If your mindset is negative, if your mindset sees the sad side of things, you won't be able to do anything. But if you see the positive side of things, you'll be able to overcome all the problems that you face and carry on in life.